You need to hear this if you're interested in national security. India's latest missile test is a leap forward. India successfully test-fired its vertical launch short-range surface-to-air missile, VL-SRSAM, twice in 2 days. This cutting-edge missile, developed by DRDO and the Indian Navy, intercepted high-speed, low-altitude targets mimicking sea-skimming threats. Equipped with advanced technologies like the Ku-band AESO seeker and smokeless engine, the VL-SRSAM is set to replace the aging Barak 1 system on Indian Navy ships. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh praised the tests, highlighting this as a technological boost for the armed forces. With the successful integration of the new X-band multifunction radar, the VL-SRSAM will significantly enhance India's maritime security. These tests validate not just reliability, but also the recent upgrades to the system. Stay tuned as India continues to fortify its defense capabilities.